turning ideas into reality. Sketchbook. In today's digital age, the power of design can't be underestimated. It's the key to capturing attention, building trust, and driving conversions. That's why I've dedicated my career to mastering the art of graphic design and digital marketing. As a digital marketing and graphic design specialist, I help businesses create visually stunning and strategically effective campaigns that stand out in a crowded online world. Whether it's designing a website that tells a brand story or creating social media graphics that capture a target audience's attention, I have the skills and expertise to make it happen. My goal is simple: to create designs and campaigns that not only look great but also drive results. I'm passionate about what I do, and I'm committed to helping my clients achieve their business goals through effective design and marketing strategies. If you're looking for a partner who can help take your business to the next level, I'm here to help. Let's connect and create something amazing together. Thanks for watching.